The market theme bulls finally fight back. Can they make it stick? Nifty finally snapped its 7-session losing streak on Thursday as short covering, improving global cues and softer US Treasury yields brought bargain hunters back to Dalal Street. Our call of the day relief has arrived, confirmation hasn't. Friday needs strong follow-through buying, else Thursday's rebound could simply turn out to be a dead cat bounce. The biggest positive catalyst, institutional buying, has shown signs of revival. The biggest risk, crude, is heating up again. The biggest threat remains oil. Brent surged to a 3-week high around $94, while WTI moved above $87 as the Iran impasse and restricted Strait of Hormuz traffic continued to fuel supply concerns. Market trend dashboard. Global cues, negative. FII activity, minus 583 rupees crore. DII activity, plus 3538 crore. Brent crude, $94.50 a barrel. Overall sentiment, caution. Market breadth, deteriorating. Nifty technical setup, dead cat bounce. Broad Fano zone, 23,600 to 24,600. USD INR, 95.66. Nifty outlook. Thursday's rebound is encouraging, but bulls need sustained follow-through above Nifty's immediate resistance at 24,309 before calling a durable bottom. Volatility and derivatives. India VIX, 10.76, minus 5.01%. Nifty PCR, August at 1.10. Bank Nifty PCR, at 0.81. FI Nifty PCR, at 0.82. Midcap Nifty PCR, at 0.86. August expiry bias, Nifty's 24,300 to 24,500 zone remains an important call writing resistance pocket, while put support should increasingly emerge around 24,000 and 23,800. What technicals tell us about Nifty, Sensex and Bank Nifty vertical bar? Nifty, 24,232. Support, major support at 24,000. Resistance, 24,309. Major resistance at 24,707. Expected range, 24,100 to 24,300. Bias, caution. 21 DMA, 24,324. 50 DMA, 24,160. 100 DMA, 23,933. 200 DMA, at 24,695. The biggest challenge for Friday's trading session is that bulls now need follow-through buying to prove Thursday's rebound was more than just short covering. Sensex, 77,538. Major support, 76,700. Resistance, 78,500. Expected range, 77,000 to 78,000. Bias, caution. 21 DMA, at 77,762. 50 DMA, at 77,320. 100 DMA, 76,605. 200 DMA, at 79,720. Bank Nifty, 57,496. Make or break support, 56,700. Major resistance, 58,247. Expected range, 56,900 to 57,900. Bias, caution. 21 DMA, at 57,433. 50 DMA, at 57,549. 100 DMA, 56,067. 200 DMA, at 57,459. Stock market news. Nifty's 7-session losing streak is finally broken. But remember, the next meaningful leg higher requires 3 ingredients. 1. Follow-through buying. 2. Sustained institutional participation. 3. Cooling crude oil prices. Sectors likely to outperform. Asset management companies, HDFC AMC and NAM India remain structural beneficiaries of India's financialization and expanding mutual fund AUM. Upstream oil and gas, Brent above $94 remains favorable for ONGC and Oil India. Metals, selective opportunities remain, although copper's recent consolidation warrants stock-specific positioning. Sectors likely to underperform. Aviation, crude above $94 increases ATF cost risk. Paints and tires, rising crude-linked raw material costs could squeeze margins. All marketing companies, elevated crude remains a margin overhang. FMCG and consumer discretionary, higher fuel and inflation risks remain potential demand headwinds. Stocks to watch. Positive bias. NAM India, strong AUM growth, improving market share and bullish price structure make it an attractive buy on dips candidate. HDFC AMC, structural beneficiary of India's shift from physical to financial savings and sustained SIP flows. RR Cable, Q1 FY27 PAT surged 129% YoY as revenue jumped 54%, while strong wires and cables demand and capacity expansion provide further growth visibility. ONGC Oil India, elevated crude continues to support upstream earnings expectations. LTTS, fresh 5-year engagement worth over $75 million strengthens revenue visibility. Negative cautious bias. Indigo, rising crude remains the biggest near-term margin risk. Asian Paints Burger Paints, crude-linked raw material inflation remains an overhang. Apollo Tyres MRF seat, higher crude derivatives could pressure input costs. BPCL HPCL IOC, crude above $94 could squeeze marketing economics. CG Power, near-term sentiment remains cautious following disclosure of the suspected cyber event, despite the company saying core operations were unaffected.